Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, today's video is also very exciting. In this video, I will teach you how you can create 30 plus 20 plus Instagram motivational posts in seconds. So guys, let's get started. And here I search Instagram post square. I select this post. It is loading, wait for some seconds. So it provides us different templates, but I want to create a blank Instagram post. Guys, I in this video I just create 10 posts at a time, but you can create as many posts as you can within 5 to 2 to 3 minutes. So I just want to show you the pathway, so you can easy pathway or pattern or trick, so you can easily make 100 of posts with this trick at a time. So first of all, I go to photos, and here I search fitness. After that, I click on this and set image as background. After that, I search for rectangle and place it here. And now I decrease the opacity, transparency, and that's it. After that, I paste some quotes, motivational quotes here. So I click on this one and paste it here, and that. After that, I change the font and increase the size, and that's it. I also want to change the color like yellow, and that's it. So guys, now go to the bulk create and enter data manually. Clear table and add the name of the table. I write here TTLE, and then I put some quotes, Control C, and copy them and put it here. So as you can see, I paste 12 quotes. So you can paste any as many numbers of quotes of content here, like 100, like 200 quotes, 300 quotes. It's your choice. So I only paste 12 because duration of video become long, so that's why I just want to show you the path. So click on done, and that's it. After that, I click on this and go to connect data and title. So as you can see, title is connected. After that, press continue, and you can see 12 quotes are connected. Generate 12 pages. So let's see. So as you can see, you just have to you just have to adjust the text size. And one thing more, you also want to change the background of the each photo. So you search here fitness and click this image and go to this and replace background. So that's it. After that, again go to this, select this one, set background, and you can see you also have to adjust the text. So it saves a lot of time, and you can easily create 100 plus posts in just 5 to 10 minutes. So I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family so they can also save their time, and you can also give this skill service on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.